Hello guys, if you're watching this, that means you're watching the replay. So type hashtag replay. Open the windows a little bit. I know it was a little bit what is it like too harsh previously, so I have to tone it down. And for today's look, another what is it like a black look again, and it still overlaps with my what do we call like the drapes no, the weaves I was doing. So this is the Dupian silk. So this is something I was looking for so long, so finally I was able to grab it, and I grabbed it in black. So it's like a black with red, but the whole saree is plain black. So thank you, Kusuma, thank you so much. Just 1 second, give me 1 second. I think I need to clean my, what's it? Sorry about that. Like, I have to clean my camera. I was moving here and there. I think my fingerprints were there. Sorry about that. Yeah, thank you so much, Kusuma. So this is what is it like I had like few lists. I wrote it down for last year, and this is a look. This is a saree I wanted to get it, and I think I always mention it. Hi Tanya, thank you so much. I get so confused when I see different colors, because everything will look good on what is it like in my eyes. So I find it very hard to pick a color. I was debating with like a teal blue in this one. That was like a teal blue with the orange shade, and finally I ended up picking the black and red. So you can never go wrong with black. So I was like, okay, why not get it? So that's the one. And for my eye look, I did like a very bold black and red eye look to tie with it. So I went with the nude lip. So as usual, natural tan to color correct. This is like my staple every single day, whatever eye look may be. Even if I don't do a eye look, if I'm doing just like a eyeliner, you can still use natural tan, and it will correct any veins or any unevenness. So eyes are like a very thin part, so that's why you will see the discoloration so much. And Shadow Sense has anti-aging benefits to it, so it's a nice way to use. And what I did is in my crease I have used two colors. Like I have used rust, and then I have darkened it with garnet. So it's like two shades that mixed into to make that dramatic look. Sometimes you need that kind of layering. Yeah, Tanya, like black, that too. This is what is it like, such a light fabric. So I was like, usually I don't go if it is the borders and all were too big and all. I'm a petite, so I always go for like smaller ones. But since it's black, it doesn't show what is it like very awkwardly. So I was like, why not go with black when I can? Hi Shobna, good morning. So that's the one I went with. And obviously, being it's red, I went with red as a base color, and then I topped it with bandana shimmer to give that more coppery toned red, I would say, because here you want like more of a deep red rather than like a very, if you see the color comparison, you can see this red is completely different from this one. So that's what I did. Thank you, Tanya. Thank you so much. That's so sweet of you to say. And obviously, I used onyx in my outer lids. That's the one to smoke out. And I have used black pencil in my lower waterline. I have used black liquid liner on top, and then again used onyx to smoke out the lower lashes. And I have used the golden shimmer pencil just for the inner corners alone. So that's the whole eye look. And for my lip look, I have used a nude color. I was debating between using a red lip with a very subtle eye look. Yes, Kusuma, that's why like this blouse came with that. Like so I was like, I want the eyes to be dramatic this time, because Lipsons, you guys have seen me wear thousands of reds. I always wear red. I'm very comfortable in red. So that is the first question I had. Do I do like a bold lip and do like a subtle eyes? Then I was like, no, this purpose itself is to display different techniques. So I was like, I did like a bold eye look, and then I did a subtle lip. So what I did is I used Nude Honey as my lip color for today. So anytime when I have a bold look and have like a very neutral tone, I pick Nude Honey, Nude Pink, Creamer, Bella, all those kind of things. So that's the color I wore. And for my gloss, I picked two different shades. One is Tesoro gloss to give the golden color, and a little bit of what is that, like a peppermint punch. It is like a very red, but I didn't want to have too much of the color. I just wanted the glow from Tesoro. Tesoro is like a just a golden glitter gloss. So that's the one I have used, and I will just show you how it makes the difference. You can see it will add more golden glitter to the color, whereas the peppermint punch was to just add a little bit of color instead of washing it out. So that's the one. And let me show you what I got in mail today. I mean yesterday. All the new arrivals were here. Let me not drop it. So the first one is obviously I think it's called Forest, some Shadow Sense collection. So that's the one. I think Suki already posted color, I mean eyeshadow color in this. You see this pink, it is so pretty, and it came with 3 different shades. All 3 are really pretty, and there were like already 3 eye looks that were done using this. So it has Amulet Shimmer. This will look really nice on our skin tone. Similar way, this Forest Mist Shimmer. I am always into greens and oranges. If you have never tried, you should try one of the greens like Mystic Moss or these kind of darker greens. You will look amazing because our brown eyes will look really nice with the green. So these two are like your go-to, and this one obviously you can use the day you don't want like lot of color, at the same time a slight bit of glitter or shimmer to it. So this gold will go perfectly on top of any color, sir. Even on top of this, if you want to add a shimmer, I can add these kind of shades. So this is called Fairy Dust Shimmer. So obviously you can understand, and you can pretty much use this one as your blush and this one as your blush too. So this is the first one I have to do. This is not part of the PAT release. This came a little bit early, but I ordered only around that. And look at this holographic bags like that it came with. That's the first one. Again, another Shadow Sense collection. The beauty of these is these are like holographic. So if you see the color itself, you will understand. It will have like a very what is it, like a evening wear kind of one. When you wear it, it's going to look differently when you see look around and see. So I'm really excited. You can see this color really shows that, like we say dual tone, right? So it's something similar to that. So let me read out the colors for you guys. So the first one is Aurora Shimmer. Look at that, it's so pretty, like it's pinkish purple. If you have used what is that, I forgot, Bellissima and Amore. I feel like this is Amore as a Shadow Sense color. That's how pretty it is. The next one is Celestial Shimmer. So the name itself is like everything is like so different. I need to, I think, literally memorize all these ones. There are so many new ones. So this is the next one, and look at the it's closer to Lavender Shimmer, but Mermaid Shimmer. I know if you, most of the young kids are always into what is it, like mermaids. So this will, hi Soumya, good morning. So this will look really nice when paired with any outfit. And the next one is Phoenix Shimmer, which is like orangish pink, I would say. So that's the next one. And the last one is obviously Chameleon Shimmer. So obviously it's going to change color based on how we wear it. So this is one I will do the first look in the coming days. Once the saree challenge is over, I have all these to show you guys. And the next one is the Lipson's bag. So this came with two Lipson's colors with two eye colors. So here is the collection. So you can see it came with two Lipson's colors. Where is that? Yeah, this one. This is Metallic Magic. Do you see how what is it, like metallic it is? So you can use it pretty much layering under any color. It's going to bring out like that shimmer even under any matte shade. So that's the first one. And the second one is, this is the one I was super excited. Supernova. This color looked really nice on our skin tone. So Supernova, these two are the Lipson's colors here. So it came with two Lipson's colors. And let me show the glosses. So the glosses, the first one is, I can't even read the name. The name itself is holographic. So that's the gloss it is. And the next one is Solar Flare. So I think Supernova with Solar Flare will look really nice because they both complement each other so well. And similar way, these two will complement when you wear it together. So hi Abita, good morning. And when you buy us a collection, you get the free hoops remover, and it comes with this holographic bag too. So it's two Lipson's colors with two glosses. So that's the next collection. Let me show what else is left. Yes, this is another one. This is the what is it called? It's the Melt Away Deep Cleansing Balm. So this is going to be for your makeup removal. Thank you, Da. Thank you so much. So this is going to be like a creamy consistency, but when you add water to your face, it's going to become like a milky consistency, but it can remove including Lipson's. So I'm going to try. I will see whether I can hop on live sometime this week when I removing the makeup. That way I can show you guys. And not only that, the amazing thing about this is it's suitable for all skin tone. So it's going to remove your entire makeup. At the same time, it's going to moisturize you. So it's good for dry skin, and the same way it's oil based. So it's going to pull out all the oils also. So it's anybody can use it, and at the same time it's part of your skincare. Anytime it comes with Senaplex complex, and also it's going to moisturize you really well. This is makeup removal, so that's one thing I always talk about. Always remove your makeup and then go with cleanser. So even though you use it, yeah, this is such a nice one because it's going to be really moisturizing and it's going to add a glow. That's what I heard. And what else is left? Yeah, next one is the Brow Gel, which is like your it's called BrowSense Volumizing Brow Gel. So it's like a clear gel that you apply either morning or night, and it's going to help increase the volume of the brow, and also it has the ingredient called Capixel, which is in your mascara. And yes, Soumya, I'll be doing the review in the coming weeks, one after the other, so that I can show the ingredient list, everything. And so the Capixel is going to help the hair growth. That is the ingredient that's really important here, and it's already there in our hair recovery shampoo. You can see I always have a nice volume. Like one thing you always have to understand is your hair fall, hair fall is quite natural. As you all know, it is like it's a dead cell. Obviously, how we have dead skin cells, similar way hair also is a dead skin cell which is going to lose, but your cycle has to be promoted. That's the difference. Because think of, you have the same hair from your childhood till now, like even if you have new growth, then it will not be. So it is like natural that some fallout you will have, and then the growth has to be done simultaneously. So our Capixel is in the hair recovery shampoo too, so that's why it helps with hair volume. So here we have the have it in our all Lash Sense mascara and also in the new BrowSense. And here is the next one. This is the highlighting and contouring palette. So it's like it comes in 3 different varieties, like so light, medium and deep. So let me see which one it is. So this is deep. Okay, I'm holding it in the right way. So let me show. First one is light. So all 3 are little different. They all have the name in the bottom. So that's how. So it comes as a collection only, I think, if I'm not wrong. So far it's announced only in the collection. So each one comes with 2 different things. So here you see this is the lights contouring stick, and here lights highlighting stick. And the next one is here. It is medium highlighter and medium contour. Similar way here you have the deep contour versus deep highlighter. The thing about this is how I show the shadow sense and lip sense doesn't go. Similar way, these are not going to go at all. They are all day wear, and you will be using very tiny amount. I will make again a separate video where I can show how you can highlight and how you can how you will contour. So that's like a separate thing. But when you buy, I think it comes as a collection. You need to pick both of them together. Like you need to pick both light, both deep, both medium. That's how it is, I think. So when you buy as a collection, it comes with this beautiful bag. So far it's 5 products, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, I finished all 5. So that's the one I'll be doing in the coming days. And today is day 27 of the sari challenge. So I am almost there. Another 4 more days, it's over, and then I can come back to all my first impressions. As you can see, I already have 4 of the first impressions I need to do, and I mean including the highlighter, then it will be 5 first impressions with the Forest collection, the Glow Duo, and the holographic lip sense, and the Shadow Sense collections, and the highlighting panels. And then with the skincare, I have to do the first impression videos. I still have to do the lip mask. So next month is again what is it, like next month is going to be fully packed. Thank you, Soumya. Thank you so much. Today it's all black and red look. That's how I went with it. And you all have a wonderful day. See you all soon.